在去坐火车到 Gatwick Airport， 然后坐飞机到保加利亚。Gatwick Airport 离我们这儿 Brighton 30分钟，离伦敦45分钟，特别方便。如果你在伦敦，可以直接刷 Oyster Card 或者 Contactless 银行卡。英国人去欧洲度假，基本上都是从这儿出发。我们快要到 Gatwick Airport 了。你看，我们刚下车，然后已经在飞机站。在弹幕里告诉我 Airport 怎么说。看我的弟弟多傻。You also need to have the right entry requirements. You need to check that you've got your PCR test, double vaccinated, or whatever your requirements are. Put your mask on.
Everybody's wearing a mask as well. We're going up here. Are we going to take it?
If you're a good boy.
Checking in the bag.
Hey! Are we done?
Is that it?
That's it.
Oh, that was quick.
That's the quickest check-in I've ever done. Gatwick Airport.
I remember growing up when we would travel, it'd be like a 2-hour process.
Oh, crazy. This is so quick.
Now go through.
That's pretty smooth, right? All digital.
You're right. 这里的安检超级严格，全部液体都得放进一个透明袋子里。我忘记了，我包里有一个 guacamole. I have to do the whole thing again. Right, Mom, let's go. You and me.
Let's go. I don't know where to begin.
Right. 你看前面就是 duty free， 我妈疯了，狂买，因为这里都比外面便宜。这里还有茅台。
I can't tell. I like all of them.
All together with them.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you so much.
So the flight's delayed, but right now I'm quite happy because we get to have a pre-flight cocktail in the Juniper and Co bar and kitchen.
Yeah, that's a little bit of a long straw, don't you think?
5 minutes later.
So my mom thought that the flight was delayed. 但是我看的那个软件上说9分钟我们就得上飞机。Theo, come on. Go, Theo, go. 我的妈呀，太好笑了。昨天晚上我们到了，挺晚的，所以呢，今天我正式开始我们的 vlog。今天我们打算去游泳、滑雪、按摩什么的。It's a proper nice holiday for us。给你们看看我的早餐，这是奶酪、培根、鸡蛋、西红柿。这个是一种
My favorite mikichka, just like my grandmummy make it.
跟油条类似于一种炸的东西，去蘸蜂蜜。Mom, is there butter anywhere for the bread? Molia, please in Bulgarian. The view is absolutely amazing.
How's your breakfast, Max?
I'm in heaven.
Hi guys, I got my cereal.
Feels it. Alright, you ready, Theo? Let's go. No. Boys are back in town. 大家，我现在在游泳池，外面有特别热的 pool， 叫 hot springs， 所以里面呢，到外面，然后这个水是热的，可以看到好多烟气 ，like 水汽。Hey Theo. Hey Mom. Mountains 在后面。这个你头发会变冰，然后你整个身体特别热，特别奇怪的感觉。Right, guys. So now 我们回到了我们的屋子，我已经准备好了 to go snowboarding and skiing. Got my boots on. Look how icy it is on the car.
Oh my!
我们到了 ski lift， 我们要上山。Going up the mountain, the ski lift takes about 30 minutes to go up.
We're gonna go even higher than the top.
Yeah, we are.
Theo's got his Brighton Christmas jumper on. Look, it's Brighton Pavilion.
Oh, the pavilion.
Zip this up for me.
Theo, you miss Walter?
A lot.
I do too.
下面是马家炫技时间。
Max, I think this is too steep for Theo. Theo was doing so good. 我们上次去保加利亚差不多 that must have been 2-3年了。现在当时候去的时候，我弟弟上了几个滑雪的课，但是我们这次去 he did really well.
Come on, Theo, got to catch up with Max. Go find your brother. Go find him.
We came to an Italian restaurant next to the slopes. It's a pizza place. There was a sushi menu. 所以我和我弟弟点了一些寿司。 们就看一下这个米饭什么情况。他们来，你看这个，我就把上面的鱼给吃了，我没吃这个米饭，因为它超级恶心。My pizza's not bad. Go on. Yeah.
Yes. I went like this.
对，我还发了。然后我们又去滑了一遍雪。第一次我妈妈有事儿，所以她没来的，所以这次我跟我妈妈一起滑雪了。
Where are you guys?
Bansko lifts.
Bansko.
First time in 20 years. I was here 20 years ago.
Really?
Yeah, more.
Gondola.
Yeah, we're on the gondola.
No, you and I came together here. Good. Here's Theo. Oh yeah. Look at the sunshine and the snow.
But yeah, after this time, we made sure not to do the same mistake. 我们找了一个好吃的地方去吃饭 because honestly, I was traumatized by the sushi. I don't think I'll ever eat sushi in Bulgaria again. 他们这家店是做保加利亚餐。The reason this is going to be so interesting is because we've had Bulgarian food a million times. It will be really, really cool to go to a Michelin star one where they do it slightly different, you know, and like gourmet. 这就是这家店，它叫 Cosmos 宇宙。
За него месо и остано вегетарианство, да?
Salami.
I'm excited about this. How is it?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Like the pickles, you know the pickles?
Oh yeah, this is like the take on the pickle.
Not beautiful.
Lovely.
It's really tasty.
Wow.
Good? Very good, very good.
我这个是糖水煮过的梨子，上面是 rocket， 然后下面是 miso paste， 上面有yuzu。多么呢？
The кухня. Is it pate?
Yeah.
Chicken liver pate. The William bean stew. Cherry tomato confit. Steaming oil.
The vegan risotto.
Incredible.
Добре.
The vodka is really nice texture as well. I don't know what it is.
Best blender.
This is Michelin star chef, but the Michelin star restaurant must be just like on another level. I'm so excited for the next one. Koji cured pork, sour cabbage, dried hot peppers paste. Like
Hello,
that.
guys.
I don't usually like pork, and it's good.
Max.
我妈妈特别想我的姥姥，我们都特别想姥姥的。我们没见她差不多2年了。It's been a really long time, so it's a really big deal.
什么时候你吃中国菜？
My mum and her aunt and her sister often go to the Bulgarian Chinese restaurant.
我还在保加利亚给一家人做了好多中餐。我姥姥她不是特别会说英文，所以我妈妈经常会当她的翻译。我爸爸有点懂保加利亚语，我的保加利亚语还行 ，so it works。我弟弟啥都不懂。这是我姥姥家的狗狗 Reggie， 我给它起的名字超级可爱，它就是一个 mini 版的 Walter。我们是圣诞节晚上 celebrate， 就是吃一个大晚饭，然后开礼物什么的。在英国是反着的，第二天早上去开礼物，然后那天吃个大午饭。We do both because I'm half and half.
Yeah, that's good. We'll do a little bit and then give it power to finish. Reggie's stealing some food. Reggie, podkrana. Yeah, well done. Dishes are ready. Look at this. Beans. These are vine leaves stuffed with rice. And the table's looking good. Are you guys ready for dinner? The bread is ready. Use the thing underneath.
Bread. It's a metaphor. When you break bread, it means you sit down and eat together. Break bread, not win. Don't break wind. Look at you looking for the coin.
Theo,
promise you didn't.
did you get the coin in the bread? One left. What? Oh, Reggie, what do you want, Reggie? Ian, how is it?
It's amazing.
特别喜欢这种家人一起在做饭的氛围。Just because of the 疫情，我们真的好久没有这样。I really hope 疫情可以just 结束，可以多跟我家人 spend time。如果你不能跟你的家人一起过节，他们打电话，天天 do like video calls and stuff. I hope you get to see each other soon. Hope 你们健健康康、平平安安。Take care of yourselves, guys. Cool， 这就是这一期视频，不要忘了点赞、关注、留个评论、投个币、收个藏 ，do everything. I love you guys so much. 拜拜。小马逛吃，口温锤。I can tell this is gonna be amazing already when there's a little kid running around. I'll tell you that now. 这道菜永远的神。
Frosty the Snowman.